Day trading is getting easier thanks to powerful AI tools, but most of them are expensive. Today I'm showing you the best free or strong free tier AI trading tools you can start using right now. Number one is Trade Ideas with their free power plan. This is still one of the strongest AI-powered stock scanners for day traders. Their famous Holy AI is premium, but the free power plan gives you access to powerful scanning, stock racing visualizations, predefined alerts, and lots of tools. Just with 15 minutes delayed data. It's perfect for learning, pre-market preparation, and testing strategies. Next is the king of charting, TradingView. In 2026, they released the AI Chart Copilot, a free Chrome extension that lets you talk to AI directly on your charts. You can ask it to analyze setups, add indicators, explain moves, set alerts, and more. Even without the Copilot, the free TradingView account is excellent for day trading with great 1 minute and 5 minute charts, community ideas, and heat maps. Number three is Charting Lens. This platform has one of the best free trees in 2026. It includes AI buy-sell signals, conversational AI trading assistant, AI stock rating, insider trading data. It's quickly becoming a favorite for day traders who want strong AI features without paying much. Here are some other excellent free options. Finviz, best for quick stock screening and heat map. Stock Hero, free tier to build and backtest simple AI trading bots. Denelfin, good AI scoring for stocks, and TrendSpider, limited free scanners per day, but great automated trade lines. My personal recommendation is use TradingView Plus AI Copilot for charting, Trade Ideas for scanning, and Charting Lens for AI signals and insider data. This combination is powerful and mostly free. Important warning, no AI tool will make you rich overnight. Day trading is extremely risky. Most retail traders lose money. Always use proper risk management, start with paper trading, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. If you want me to make a deep dive tutorial on any of these tools, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and see you in the next video.